This prosthetic leg concept can be printed on a desktop 3D printer, and it resizes as the child grows. Child, junior, and adult. And with each size, the shin length adjusts. So instead of being outgrown, it grows right along with the person wearing it. Then there's strength. With each design, the leg is built around a steel screw with a shin printed in stiff carbon fiber nylon so it stays light, but it's tough. For the socket, we use flexible TPU flaps laced together with a cable and dial adjustment system. Down at the foot, a responsive design flexes with every step. The feet are swappable for a different size or stiffness anytime. To be clear, this is a concept. That's also why this product is completely open source. Every file, the full parts list, print settings, illustrate steps, and build videos. They're all free and open source, so anyone can learn from it, improve it, or build upon it. Thanks for watching.